everyone. So here's an example of question number 8 from the official SAT study guide, practice test 2. So practice test number 2, math calculator. Okay, so we're at question number 8, which is where they start to get a little bit more challenging. They moved from like an easy question to a medium level question around 8 or 9, even 10. And it says, in a video game, each player starts the game with X points and loses 2 points each time a task is not completed. If a player who gains no additional points and fails to complete 100 tasks has a score of 200 points, what is the value of K? All right, so what is the value of K is telling me this might be a place where an algebraic equation might help me. So I know that I'm talking about the total points in a video game. So I'm going to call that, for me, TP, total points. Well, I start the game with K points. Okay, so everybody gets K points, and I lose 2 points each time. Right there, I lose 2 points each time. That's constant. So that's like a slope. So I'm going to lose 2 points each time, and I'm going to call that 2x. So x is going to be the number of times a task is not completed. So that's like my expression. Well, that's going to actually give me my total points. Now, I know that's not the way we write equations in your math class, but is that a model of what's happening in this question? Well, it is. So now it says if a player who gains no additional points and fails to complete 100 tasks, that means that x is 100, has a score of 200 points, and that's the total points. What is the value of K? All right, well, so K minus 200 equals 200. Now, I can see a lot of kids saying that the K was 0 at this point. Why? Well, because you're not looking carefully, and you need to look carefully at math equations. If I were to solve for K, I am adding 200 to both sides. And that will give me a value of K equals 400. If you aren't careful, you might say K equals 0, and you can see that 0 is an answer there. So I can see that D is my answer to this question. Hopefully that helped, guys. Again, it's really nice when you think about linear functions to help you on this test, because there's a lot of questions that relate to linear relationships. Have a great day.